is. Maybe this has to be pushed in a little better. Never seem to get the damn fucking phone right. But it is December 10, unwanted. And I'm making a driving video of going to Golden Corral in Maplewood. He said wood. He said wood. You haven't eaten at a Golden Corral since my trip to Denver ended. I did the I believe in Olathe, Kansas. And at that Golden Corral I got lost and I went into a fucking rampage. I was fucking pissed. It took me like 3 hours to figure out how to get there. And no wonder why I went into fucking psychotic fucking rampages. Well, at least I learned from shit happening. And last time I went, it took about 15 minutes to get there. Maybe even less than that. From where I was staying in Lenexa, Kansas. Which is a suburb of Kansas City, but at least it's safe there. It's not that far from Kansas City anyway. It's like 100 minutes away. Well, it looks like abortion will stay legal in Kansas. The fascist anti-abortion fucks had a ballot initiative thinking that people would, I believe it was very stringent. There's no exceptions for anything, life with mother, rape, incest, all that bullshit. So yeah, it would be overwhelmingly struck down because the people, even in Republican areas, they don't want these Bible-thumping fucking right-wing Christian zealot fucking authoritarian pieces of shit forcing their fucking religious beliefs on everyone with their primitive belief bullshit. However, in Missouri, abortion is still illegal. They made it illegal since Roe versus Wade, with very few exceptions. Yeah, it's getting that point. You gotta get out the coat hanger and be able to travel to another state and get that fucking parasite scraped out of your twat, because breeding is sick and evil. However, I'm also on the other end of the spectrum, where I hate vaccine mandates. And, now where the fuck are the other people who like abortion and hate vaccines? Or people say shit like, you're anti-vaccine. No. Oh yeah, this is the driving video I made since my Denver. I thought it was that guy, I fucking forgot. It was also the Golden Corral. Very same Golden Corral, because there's not the fuck enough of them in this area. And then I found no, actually I'm not anti-vax, I'm actually anti-heart attack. Unless some guy is sniffing poppers while he's having sex, so it's better than getting injected with all that shit and having pain. Of course, that's only if you're croaked right away. Like that Nelly Gay guy, Paul Lynn. That happened in Antonada. He was naked, he was sniffing poppers. I don't know if he was having sex with someone or not. Oh, jerking off, I don't know. Yeah, he was a lot better than what gay people have turned in these days, these PC fucks. Which is why the government created AIDS. So the gay community would go down the toilet, and it did. Yeah, I'm just anti-heart attack, anti-cancer, myopathitis of fuck, I forgot how to mention it. amazingly, young people who have suddenly dropped dead and croaked has gone up 40% since the COVID vaccine came out. Aha! I can connect. Oh, and then. Well, that's a fact. That ain't my fucking opinion. Facts don't give a fuck about your opinion. Facts don't give a fuck about your feelings. It's a fact. Life insurance companies are not happy because they're having to pay out all that money for all the people who are croaked unexpectedly. And I saw this documentary, which you only find it on Rumble. Right-wing video sites and right-wing sites. It got so bad that the so-called left is all turned up into shitload of authoritarian fucking lying douchebag assholes. They turned in what they claim to be against. I've had enough of this shit. This fucking cunt told me that it's bullshit that that right-wing media is the only place you're hearing the truth. I hate so many people's fucking guts even more. I didn't think it was possible to hate people's fucking guts anymore. And then COVID came out. That fucking shitlib theater. Oh, before I get to that, they'll go. I have to put a disclaimer in: the vaccines are safe and effective. If you get COVID, it lowers your risk of getting. But apparently, people are still getting COVID after getting vaccinated. And then this fucking self-righteous comedian cunt, well, she learned the hard way. He said hard. He said hard. She went up on stage ridiculing the unvaccinated, claiming that she had her shingles shot, the flu shot, all the COVID shots, the boosters, blah, 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 and then she suddenly just passed out and fractured her skull. Now I guess she's still alive. Here's my question. Why the fuck why would someone make a documentary making all this shit up? But, the shitlibs are going to ridicule the fuck out of anyone who doesn't want to get vaccinated. Fuck, I hate it when I forget. Oops. Shit. That's what happens to get caught up. Oh, God. Well, hopefully you'll be fine. You have it on for gas, that's not bad, because I've seen as high as on 10 a gallon. Yeah, you can tell these, these people say shit that people won't get vaccinated or stubborn. No, I think people won't listen to what people are trying to warn them about are the stubborn assholes. That fucking cunt gave her attitude, and look what happened to her. So now she doesn't trust the vaccines. After that happened, fractured her skull. I mean, she lived. What most likely caused it is a blood clot in her neck, blocking blood flow to the brain, which of course her brain wasn't working effectively as it is. What I find amazing is she had a healing. Her brain is working better now. She learned the hard way. He said hard. That happened in February. So now they probably found the blood clots and shit like that, and she's on a blood thinner and everything, and she'll probably be okay. And I know someone who was in the hospital with blood clots, and he almost croaked. Vaccinated, I know, but he's doing okay now. So I don't tell people a bunch of fucking bullshit. I tell what is actually happening. As far as I know, he's doing okay now. probably had to have massive blood thinners to get rid of those blood clots. Or maybe they're not getting rid of the blood clots. I'm speculating that at least they have gotten rid of the blood clots. Yeah. Should people trust the government? No. Why the fuck are these shit libs who never trusted the government? All of a sudden COVID comes out. All of a sudden they start trusting the government. And ridiculing the fuck out of people. They're as bad as these redneck assholes who ridiculed the fuck out of people who protested the Vietnam War. And this is just unfucking believable. No. I don't know. I think they backed off on the mandates only because people are starting to wake up, and they don't like that. They want people to wake. So they're backing off on the mandates because now they're afraid that people. They're scared now. They're scared. They're fucking scared. And this information is starting to come out. What time is it? Oh shit, it is 10 minutes. Oh fuck it, man. I don't have to split it. Well, as always I say, I make the most interesting videos in the world. Hope people like my videos. Fuck them. That's the only place I tell the truth. And the COVID vaccine will lower your chances of getting severely sick if you get COVID. So put that disclaimer in there. So, fuck, did this go up to 10 fucking minutes?